Right now, how do you don't have computer in your pocket, you don't have a mobile. Huh? Yes. Right. What is important is the computer. We computer in 2019. You have one after the 2002, 3, 4. Shut up. All of you. 60. Okay, so fun. Can you see this? What I've written? Oh, it's there. Okay, cool. So we can play whole day, right? We don't need to have class. How it works, man? This is the error, right? Advanced people, you guys. So what is that? Okay, forget that. Why are you here? That's what. Why are you here? Otherwise, I don't care. So why did it should be the morning? Why? Why? Anyone else you want to ask? Yeah, that's actually should complete. Why did it? Is it important? Knowledge. Why not you are getting knowledge from history, from geography as well. Our see, in everyday life we use even though see if you our grandmother maybe my grandmother wasn't it. It's used but she did mathematics for it. She know how to math. You can if you know about it, that is the basic. They are studying grammar outside. And this guy over here. Okay. See, mathematics is everyday. Like, why are we studying mathematics? Since we have already chosen science. So we will have to study mathematics. There is no statement. What is this? Well, seriously, nobody wants to study mathematics. Is it? Nobody likes mathematics in the 10th standard. No one. Because you didn't study. See, there can be several reasons why we don't like mathematics. I have that even me also. There was a time I used to complete mathematics. Then I started getting then I started learning. That's how the thing is, mathematics is used everywhere. Like why we are studying right now, why we are studying in depth. See, till 10th standard, everyone has to study mathematics. Right? That is till 10th standard, you will have those mathematics only. That is basic. Now, what you are going to study? Like suppose you say you are going to you want to go to engineering. So there all the time. And like somebody wants to do commerce, you want to calculate like GST. Right now GST is in Why you sit here? You have a seat. If you want, you can come here. Then they are living. So the reason that we just study mathematics is it will make your life easy. I don't think anyone is you have applications. Now somebody computer science will learn mathematics. So computer has that interview using mathematics. How can you touch this and you can write it? I'm not able to write it, but I think you got it. How am I able to write it? You're just touching. So what is happening there? There is some memory and the matrices are. Have you studied about matrix? It's the arrangement of numbers. Arrange. So these also, I think that I think in ICSE they have already studied that side, right? There it's very easy. It's just the rest of it. Similarly, we'll start with this. We'll start with set and we'll study relation and functions. See, relations you have the relation with the person, right? Don't have. What are you doing? So you have relations and functions. So we'll study that every study. We'll study that. We'll have trigonometric functions that we have already studied. Right? We have studied trigonometry. Is there any online also trigonometry? They are there, they're listening or not? Okay, so what I was talking about? Stephanie. No, after that, I think we was studying. You have a second piece called and you divided numbers. Okay, so those things all are like this set is a collection of elements. Like you said in the you are here to study. You are here to study simply as a player. So you are a collection of students. You are like that. So you guys are forming, you are the elements. So if I write, which I don't know how, so class. So this class and set, how do we write? In braces. We'll also see what is the meaning of all types of plans. Today itself we are going to cover don't start writing. Don't do that. Don't do that in my class. I'll throw you out. And I'm serious. Nah, I won't do that. You can write, you do whatever you want. You can dance also. You can sing, no problem. Fair. Start. So set is collection of elements. So for set, this right. I know it is boring to write definitions in mathematics, but the way to read the book is this first half will be kind of different. Don't just read this. So it is how should they do that? It should be there is no important like in the books. You must be having this is important, this is important, you want. The person who is writing the book is not there's a meaning of that. Why he is writing? He's writing because then he study. We don't actually need time. I'll be very honest with you. That it will be the operating system. Haven't had classes. So it's up to you how we are going to. So right set is collection of elements. First, and please see the notebook whenever there is a class. If you don't write it in the 6.2 or the biology notebook, like you used to. They ask you to set this collection of elements. So we represent set by these places. Okay. So what type of bracket is this? Curly bracket usually is, right? Okay. And the elements we write, like suppose this is a set. So elements we write inside this bracket, like 4. So 4 is a element. I don't know why it is happening. I'm not sure. So 4 is an element of the set. So this set can be written in several forms. Can you tell me, have you studied what are the forms? What are the forms? There is graphical form. Okay. Number line form. You studied that? No? Okay. What form? First form, tabular form you said. So set you can write in tabular form. Okay. You can write set in what? Next. Which form? That is in tabular. Set builder, yes. Set builder. And on number line also we can. But that we will represent. See, why in your book only this 1 and this 2 is given? Because we cannot represent all the sets on number line. Right? We can represent only numbers. But set can be anything, right? Set can be a collection of buffaloes or collection of animals. Buffaloes can be short. Because how you will differentiate buffaloes? All the so the thing is, with the height, like lion is a so lion is a dog is a giraffe is a like if I write a set forest. Okay, so what can be the elements of the set? Tell me, in forest, what do you have? Trees. See, first thing, if you have any doubt, just ask. Verify yourself. There is no stupid answers. What's so stupid sound beside your select is going to be embarrassed rather than embarrassed at some place where. Okay. So whatever your doubt is, just clarify. If I don't know, we'll see. And open your mask app. Every time I see, I think I'm in hospital. Number line. Okay, you don't want to open it? See, number line, we can only represent numbers, like collection of real numbers. Natural numbers. What is natural number? First, right? Let's complete the forest. Forest and trees. Don't start right. Wait. Okay, we are not even, this is just an introduction class. Okay. So if you pay more attention here, then you will learn more rather than writing it. Definitely, I'll give you time to copy it, or I can give you a PDF and all. So trees are the set. Trees is one of the elements of the forest. Any other element? Animals are there, like tiger. It's not necessary in all forests we have tigers, right? So what do we have? Yeah, let's write animals. My handwriting is also very bad, so please excuse me. So trees and animals, we form or leaf or some. So you understood that is a collection of any objects. Alright. Is it already? Okay. So forest. So now you give me one example of for example, forest. Right? Forest we have tree and animals. Collection of animals. Okay, other than mathematics. Mathematics will be that. Other than that, I want to think of collection of vowels is correct. So vowels, let's write B for that. In this set, what we have? A, E, I, O, S. S is the vowel. Then why was it? Yes. What is it? Fine. Anything else? Good. Everything also. Collection of your school is a set. This whole building is a set of rooms. Right? This room we are having, we have and then somebody else will do this floor itself is a set. You have two apartments. What is this? Oh, sanctuary. That's why I said you will adjust my hearing problem. So that means you'll be louder. You can hear me, right? Even I can hear myself now. The reflection is going everywhere. You guys, I'm not able to hear you guys. Okay, we can shout here. Raghav is not. Don't play. We won't play. I'm there. Anyway, so any other just keep going. You have one collection of countries. That is also a set, right? Asia is also a set, right? Your oceans, rivers, these are a collection of what? These are also sets. So basically, you understood what a set is. You should have elements. And this form that we are writing here, this is called, which form is this? This is tabular form. In tabular form, we write all the elements, okay, separated by a comma, like I have written like this here. Okay. So in tabular form, let me write tabular form. How do we write like this? This is tabular form. We write set in braces, okay, curly brackets, and we write elements separated by commas. Okay. Now let's write a set collection of prime numbers. Right? Now, how many prime numbers are there? You said, how many prime numbers? You will only answer. You know number line? Is this correct? Fine, no problem. Any problem so far? Here. Any problem? No. Okay. How many numbers are there in between 1 to 2? Huh? Sorry, between 0 to 2. How many numbers are there? It would be better. How? Right? You are getting all, you can, in here, there will be a number 0 0.01. 0 You even there are infinite number of numbers between 0 and 0.5, right? Those all are real numbers. So first, okay, there is some problem there also. Hopefully everyone knows, but let's go for the revision. Okay. So what are natural number? Yeah, Sunshine. Yeah. What is natural number? So I will put it as a set. Write a set of natural numbers. It starts from one. Sorry, accepted. Yeah, go on. You're right, man. It's a state. All are same. That is something different. One common common. More or less. Yeah, I understand. I've seen you there. No, I'm not going. I'm dropping people there. Okay. So natural number, it starts from 1. And after that, all the integers 1, 2, 3, etc., etc., etc. Up to, all right. Means whatever the integers that we have, positive integers are all natural numbers. So this is also positive. Natural numbers are positive integers. Okay, or I can write I positive like this. All right. Do you have any problem so far? I hope not, because you have studied this in first, you have studied this in 7th standard, or before that, 6th or 7th. Then every time first chapter of your book, mathematics book, it is there. In all first chapter, once it has been mentioned. Okay. All right. So natural number, whole number. What is whole number? So we'll just add 0 to natural number, that is whole number. So I won't be writing that. Integers, what are integers? So if I say how many integers are between 0 and 2, so you'll say 1. That is this. This is the only integer between 0. I'm not including 0. I'm not including. That's why I said between 0 to. We'll study about some brackets also. Okay. So whole number we have covered. What else? Integers, positive and negative integers. See, whole number plus negative integers. So those are all the sets of. 0 is integer or not? Is 0 an integer? I think don't be the same. Even if it is not, I want to see. How many integers? Some of you. Okay, you know, what is it? It is a 0 impact. So write it down. Just write down. Don't write 0 is an integer, right? Right? Integers is 0, 1, and so on. Okay, these are all integers. Okay. Are you agree? Or your white beard hanging from the, either you open it, so either you keep it in a bag or pocket, or wear it properly. Otherwise, not. Am I correct? Yeah. See? Okay. Okay, so whole number, integers we have covered. Any other number? Any other type, rational number? Okay, so rational number we represent by. So we write Q. Usually, capital Q is a set of what? Rational number. So rational, what is rational number? Where do you know? Let's discuss. There was a match when Bangladesh needed 3 runs, 1 over, and they had like 4 minutes. And they were very sure that they will win. Right? They were playing against India. That time, if Indian players thought, we are not going to win, they would have lost. So 3 runs, 4 wickets, 6 balls. So if you think the moment you think that you cannot be lost at that, right? It's not about even if who knows what the future is. Who knows? Nobody, right? So if suppose you started working hard and kept on working, you can be inside. It's not that hard. It's not. So Q is a set of what number? Rational numbers. Just pay a little attention. So the moment you have chosen science, so there must be some plans going on in your I'll suggest each and every one this is a part of this class. Please study. And go. I suggest you use. Just study basic. Study. I think they will teach you. Just study the basic. It's so damn easy that you can build a base when you do those things. You will feel confident, but always move to the projects. Don't just study what they're teaching us. Okay, just because you have to do that, but you understood my point, right? Just go beyond that a little. Okay, DAV, your school they are teaching computer science. Earlier they used to teach SQL and C++. So see if you want to go deep paper programming, I'll suggest you to study C++. If you want to become a scientific engineer or scientist, study Fortran. That you will either study in IIT or wherever you go. Even if you go any college, just study by yourself. Even if nobody is there to teach you, you will learn. You will be best when you learn by yourself. Nobody can teach you anything unless you want to study. Okay, nobody, no one. That's a fact. So let's study sets. Q is a set of rational numbers. So that means that can be written in P by Q form where Q must not be equal to 0. Because otherwise what will happen? If 1 by 0 is what? DAV? What is 1 by 0? Undefined. Okay, that means you have studied something. Okay, fine. If you say so. 1 by 0 is not defined because you keep on dividing. Where you will reach 1 by 0. Keep on dividing. Multiply by 1000. Let's say 0. Again 1. It will keep on repeating, right? So that means it is not defined. These are undefined numbers. That's why Q cannot be equal to 0. If Q is equal to 0, it's not defined. Now that is set of rational numbers, right? So this is how we write what set, and we have already studied that how to write set in tabular form. Fine. Now we'll see how to write in set in tabular form. Okay. These are just basic few simple concepts that they will not even ask you in the exam. See, these are the operators. These are also very easy. So let's write what form I said? Set build. So in set builder form, how do we write? Again, we use like suppose if you want to write set A, okay, or let's say set of what you said that time, set of prime numbers, right? So let's write P for that. Again, we will use curly braces, but this time, suppose we are saying X is a prime number, okay? So we'll read that all values of X such that the symbol is such that. Column we say in English language we say column. So that is such that we'll read it as mathematics. X is a prime number. Okay, so that's how we write in set builder form. And if we write this in tabular form, how can we write it? So what is the first prime number? What is prime number? What's the definition of prime number? If I can slap myself and one can slap that, then I will get that. So that means a number that is divisible only by 1. All numbers are divisible by n by. Okay, so why 1 is not a prime number? 1 is divisible by 1 and it is divisible by itself. Then why 1 is not a prime number? Because both numbers are same. Both are 1. Okay, so first prime number is 2. So in set builder in tabular form, we'll write prime number, all set of prime number as first number is 2, second number is 3, then 4, 5. So that's how. Now you see these there are infinite number of prime numbers. So we cannot write all the prime numbers in tabular, right? We cannot write. That's right. We cannot write all prime numbers in tabular. And this type of sets are called infinite sets. Okay, so right, these type of sets are called those. See, there are infinite number of elements in the set, so these are called infinite sets. Okay, and there are finite sets like tell me something. That is also infinite. Yes, correct. Or you can say numbers that can divide 10. So how many numbers that can divide 10? 1, 2, 3, 5, and 10. So these are the set of numbers that can divide 10. So this is a finite set. There are, so if I give you a question, just write down this problem. That write a set for, what is it? What did I say? Multiples of 10. Okay. We have a lot of these systems, and it will be fun, don't worry. And definitely, if you stay with me, I can tell you. It's not about solving the problems, it's about understanding the basic fundamentals. People having problems in natural, seeing the GAP exam, there will be some questions from gravity that. Which one is that? We got a phone. What can we do? Huh? What is the question? Why are you putting words in my mouth? I say practice now. Very I think guys little higher. Guys, nearby arguments. Why? Done? Right? This is second. I want this is second. Okay, so let's write the set. What are the numbers? 1, 2, 5, 10. Right? This is which form? Sunshine? Okay. And if I want to write in set builder form, how do we write it? Anyone? Set builder form, how do we write it? Set x such that x is divisible by yes, factor of 10. You didn't understood? What which form? Set builder form we write. Okay, this is we'll see once again what is set builder form. Anyone else is having this same doubt? Anyone? DAV? Or this DAV? Only this sheet. Okay. So again we'll see set builder form. Okay, set builder form, how we write is the same set we can write. Again, we'll use curly braces and will use statement for this. Okay, either mathematical statement or English statement we can use. It doesn't matter. It's fine. So we'll use x is a variable we are. Okay, I think I didn't mention that. But sorry. X is a variable that we will assume of this set S. Okay, x is a variable x, and what are the values of x? So x is such that x belongs to, like suppose we are writing x is a factor of 10. That's what we have written. X is a factor of 10. So what are all the factors of 10? The regular statement. What is this? X is a factor of 10. So what are the factors of 10? We are talking about that. This is the method to write. That's it. You will always write x and the statement. Okay. I don't want to use the book, the language of the book. Okay. That how it is pronounced, how it is said. We can learn that. First, you understand how to write. Okay. All right. So this is how we write. Okay. So write one more problem. So we will write in set builder form statement. Now, let's write one more problem. Do you have your book? Write the following in set builder form. You have problem in set builder, so let's write the following in set builder form. So first one is 2, 4. Sorry. 2, 4. What is that? 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Can you write in set builder form? This is which form? Tabular form, right? Roster form, this one. Okay. Sorry. Now, can you see? Okay, I should not cover this now. Okay. So write this is in roster form. Write in set builder form. How do you write this in set builder form? Can you now see these numbers? Can you see? So can you form a statement of this number? What? This is power of 2. Power of 2. So these all are power of 2. So this is 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power of 2. So how do you write this statement? Such that you pronounce such that. Anyone can anyone write this? X such that x such that x to the power of, okay, x to the, can we write like this? Okay. Okay, what? See, it's not necessarily that we not x to the power n you have to do. See, this you can write in several ways, and all the ways are correct. When you use x to the power of n, let's write in this form. Okay. So now you have to define n. So what is n here? N is the power, right? So power n is defined. N is from 1 to 1 to 5. This is also correct. Understood? You are understanding, this is the mathematical statement. When I say this as a statement, so this is your statement. This complete. Now, because you have defined the two variables there, n, so you have to define because it is 2 to 34. So this is 2 to the power of 5. Okay. So that's why we have n should be lesser than equal to 1, equal to sin square. Okay. Very good. I think this set things at better form is clear. See, there will be different statement and not clear on to like sorry. Yes, correct. Okay, we are wrong here. Don't kick me out. X and what n to x to the power of 2 we can write, right? X square we can write. It is actually x square now. X square we are writing, right? And x 1 to this is your 2 cube, right? That was correct only, right? See, this is 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. This is right only. That earlier that we wrote, it was correct. See, condition for x is not it's not necessary. You can write 2 to the power of n. You can also write this one. Then you don't need to define x. Okay, or you can write other conditions like this. X. How can we write this one? Just again. 2 to the power of x. Right? You can write like this also. When x is lesser than equal to 1 and sorry, greater than equal to 1 and lesser than equal to 5. Okay, this statement also. I'm sorry, I was not correct. See, these type of mistakes may happen. So please, thank you so much. So these are the mathematical statement. Don't get too much involved with this. So this is statement. For different problems, we can have different statements. Okay, let's write one more because since we made a mistake here, let's do one more problem. Okay. Yeah, somebody said something. Okay, write the set in the set builder form. So again, set builder form you have to write 1 by 2 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, and 6 by 7. So I'm giving you these numbers. You write this in set builder form. This is in roster form. Okay. So can you write this in set builder form? Just write in set builder form, like the previous one. See, if suppose if this is your x, anyone, like this we are writing x, right? Because x are the elements. Okay. So this is your x. So what is this? This is the previous number. So this this you can write x is equal to, now this we can define as n, right? So n by n plus 1. Can we define it like this? Because the denominator is just one more than the numerator. All right, so you can define like this. So just write this one, and then you have to define n because you are using a new variable. So n belongs to 1 to 1 to 1 to 6, right? So you can write this as x such that x, this is a set, x is equal to n by n plus 1. Fine. And where n belongs to, n should be greater than equal to 1, lesser than equal to what? 6. Is this correct? Is this correct or not? See, all the elements we are saying x. That's why we are writing x such that what is x? Now we have defined x here, and we are defining the value of n just to define this x because it's a finite set. That's why we are defining this n. Okay. Yeah, x, no, x you don't need to define because x is already equal to n upon n plus 1. X you have already assigned it to another variable n. So you have to define n. You don't have to define anything. Okay. You're understanding or not? If there is any problem, let me know. You can start. See, now let's talk about some brackets. Okay, engineer, some brackets. Let's talk about some brackets. Now there will be, you will see this. What is this bracket? Square bracket, right? Or the greater bracket. What do we say? One more name is there, no, for this? Okay, anyway, I don't know. This is your smaller bracket or parenthesis also we call it, right? And this is your curly bracket. So the meaning of in mathematics, these brackets have different meanings. Like we'll try to understand with respect to number line. So suppose this is a number line, okay? And if, okay, we'll study everything on number line, you will understand. Now suppose, let's say this is first number 8. So this is 2 to, that means I'm saying all the numbers between 2 to 3, including 2 and 3. See, when we use this bracket, that means we are including that number. Okay, so from 0, let's say 2 here, 1 is here in somewhere, 3. Okay, I said 2 to 3, or let's write 2 to 5, or 2 to 6, any other number, let's write 2 to 6. Okay, so that means I'm taking 2 also. 2 is also included. So this is called a closed bracket. Okay, all the numbers between this. Okay, including 2 and 3. So if you want to write any number, it will start from 2. You are including 2. Okay, and this is called closed bracket, right? Closed bracket. Okay, this is your open bracket. The second one is the open bracket. So in open bracket, suppose if I'm writing like this, 2 to 6, that means all the numbers between 2 and 6, but we are not taking 2, neither we are taking 6. Okay, so we'll use open bracket. That means a circle will draw which you will not color. I mean, you don't have to darken this. All the numbers excluding 2 and 6. We are not taking 2 and 6. Okay. And this curly bracket means just the elements we are writing. If we are writing 2, 6, that literally means only 2 and 6. Okay. Means 2 and 6. Literally, you know the meaning of literal, isn't it? Okay. Now, let's have a question on this. Number 1, write all the numbers between 0, 2. All the natural number between 0 and 2. Yes. All natural. Yes. Anyone? All the natural number between 0 and 2. Yeah. What is the meaning of this small bracket, parenthesis? We are not including 0. What is the meaning of this square bracket? We are including 2. So the answer will be, what are the natural numbers? 1 and 2. This is your answer. And if you want to draw it in the number line, that means this is 0, 1, 2, fine. Now 0 is not a natural number, right? Neither any number between 0 and 1. We are not including 0 here, right? We are not including 0, but still there is no number. There is the first natural number is 1. Okay. So 1, 1, this one, and 2, because we are including 2 there. We are using, which bracket we are using? Square bracket. Okay. Understood or not? Okay, write one more question. Number, this time you are all natural numbers. Yes. I said natural number here. I have defined the criteria that you have to write only natural. 0, 3, okay, let's write that next question. All natural number between all natural number, let's write this bracket. Now write in set builder form. Not set builder form, write in roster form. I want you to write in roster form. Or in the number line also you can write. This is -3. Okay. We'll clarify your doubt. Write it. Write the answer. Draw the graph. Do it. Natural is -3 a natural number? Is 0 a natural number? Even if in this statement, this above statement, if I write 0, 2, then also the answer will be like this, 1 and 2, because 0 is not a natural number, right? You are getting my point or not? So on the number line, if you draw, okay, -3, 0, 1, 2, 3, and all 6. Okay, let's not draw like this. How you are using this eraser? Okay. Now 0 is not a natural number. This is not a natural number. These are all not natural numbers. So from 1 we will start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Any doubt? Okay. Right. Next, number 3. All integers Between. See, I will write between like this in the entire session. This. Now write. Write down your answer. I want you to get, these are the elements. These are on your I said, we have to connect. Yes, we have. Don't, okay. First, tell me the answer. Yeah, sunshine. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Your railway announcement. Can anyone draw it on number line? Draw it on number line. How you will do it? -3 it starts. -2, -1, and all the numbers in the middle, right? And I'll just write 5. And 6 is correct. So what are the indices? See, because which bracket I'm using, that you have to see. This is open bracket. Okay, open bracket. That means we are not including. In number line, you have to draw like this, and we are including these. Okay, getting the point? See, for closed bracket, you will darken the circle. For open bracket, we'll just draw the circumference. Okay, the small one. That will be understood. I suppose this is clear to you guys? All the brackets? Pakka? Okay, then there is Venn diagram. Of course, we have said we have the models. All the things are there, but let's understand how a Venn diagram is. You want to go home? Yeah. So hungry, no? So, how many of you want to go home now? Let me ask. See, I saw your face. Now you are Voldemort. Okay. So last topic, let's cover last topic for today. See, these are all introductions we are going to cover that. We will have questions. Okay, well, by the way, I'm also from the side class. So I know it's not that tough. Yeah, so what we are going to do now? Set Venn diagram. Interesting. Okay, so Venn diagram. How do you, what is Venn diagram? See, the collection of, let's not go into the definition. We don't have a habit of that. These are set of, suppose this A is a set of numbers, some particular elements, and again B is some set of elements. Okay, so this is a Venn diagram. Chapter over. See, why do we use Venn diagram? That is properly will have we can picturize set, right? Like you have set of, like, suppose A is a set of people who play cricket, right? I'm just giving you example. B is a set of people who play football, and there are some people who play football as well as cricket. So how do we represent that? Overlap. It will obviously take an overlap. You can picturize it in the mind. That's how we have to draw it here. That's it. Nothing different we have to do. So there is something called universal set. Okay. I haven't taught you about empty sets and all. Don't worry, we'll cover those things also. Empty set is just set without sunshine. If sunshine is not in the class, then it's empty. Right, sunshine? Sunshine, where is your school? Okay, I don't know the place. See, I stayed here 4 years, but I don't know anything outside the campus. Instead of going right, we take left. Will left. I said. Okay, so let's stop it there and we can talk a little bit about you guys. Time up, man. I'm tired. I'm also doing my why because I was tired. I'm hungry. You know how many people know what is it? Some Java. Okay, anyway. So next class we'll study about Venn diagram. Few more topics. We will see set operations. And tomorrow most probably will. Sorry. Don't say this to anyone. See, my language is bad because I studied with engineering. So this is not my mistake. I used to be a very good kid. Used to, not anymore. Okay, okay, this. Why you not in Venn? Why? See, you should have a purpose. Whatever you should. I won't say you should have a plan all the time, but you should have a purpose. So the positive impact here. Anybody else what why you are? I will be talking about that. So that thank you very much for taking this class. I hope you bye. Thank you so much. Definitely we can finish the class tomorrow. I'll just delete it first. Venn diagram will study tomorrow. Just go see what I will ask. Just go through some of the problems. Right and set with please read it some mistake. But in set builder forms, you can write in same problem, you can write so many different statements mathematically also, right? Different types of you can write, even you can write even if you have 6, you can write okay 12 by 2. That is also a mathematical logical statement, right? You can write 3 into 2. Who has stopped you? So in mathematics, you can have a lot of statements. The difference is we are writing in terms of variable when we are writing set builder form. So just go through one or two examples and we'll discuss it. All right. Thank you very much. And I don't remember any ones of them unless Oshana. Okay. Because she's a singer. No? What song you practice somewhere? Okay, then I won't talk. Thank you so much.